How to manage display scaling on Mac. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to manage display scaling on your Mac. First, click the Apple menu in the top left corner and open System Settings. Next, select Displays from the sidebar. Here, you'll see your connected display and several options for changing the screen resolution and scaling. Under Resolution, choose Default for the recommended setting, or select More Space to fit more content on your screen. If you want larger text and interface elements, choose a setting that provides more screen space for easier viewing. You can also click Advanced to access additional display options, depending on your Mac and connected monitor. If you're using an external display, select it first and then adjust its available resolution or scaling options. Keep in mind that the available choices can vary depending on your Mac and display. Once you've selected your preferred setting, simply close System Settings and your changes will be applied automatically. And that's how to manage display scaling on your Mac. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful Mac tutorials.